Hey guys, welcome. My name is Ada and this is Incomescape. This is the platform where I teach you how to create your next passive stream of income. And I don't just tell you go do this. I also tell you how to make it possible. Today I'm going to be talking about Redbubble. Redbubble is a print on demand service where you can create a design and then you put it up or as a shower curtain. Somebody can buy it as a shower curtain. Somebody can carry it as a tote bag. Somebody can wear it as a t-shirt design or even as a notebook. There are so many options available on Redbubble. The way that you just create the design and somebody can buy it how they want it. I think it's a very cool service. So today I'm going to show you how you can open an account and start making money. And please, you don't just make money by using that. You have to think of other things like creating designs that are in season. You can even create designs based on the memes that are trending. And another thing that I want to tell you is that, like all things about this, you don't just create one design and start waiting for the money to start rolling in. No, you create multiple designs, different designs, keep getting better. All right. I always tell people, even if you don't know how to do design, you don't know any Photoshop skills, any Adobe, whatever it is, you don't have those skills, please do not be discouraged. Go to Canva. I've done a video on Canva to help you through all of these things. All right. And I did a crash course on that. It's a short video. So find that and, let's get started. So today, right here, if you're looking at my screen, you can see that this is open to Redbubble. All right. And guys, please remember that I am always excited for you to subscribe to my channel. You'll have my eternal gratitude, all right? And there is that unicorn that you're going to give an extra set of wings just for signing up to my channel, all right? So this is Redbubble and we are going to go in. I'm going to try and, talk you through how you're going to do this, all right? So this is Redbubble, right? This is the clothing section. This is the stickers section. Like I said, there are so many options. There is the phone cases. There is the wall art. One design that you do, they are going to give you all of these options so that you can test it out. And then you now say, okay, I think this works best as a wall art. You showcase that as a wall art. If somebody now decides, no, I want to carry it as a pet mat, I want to have it as a phone case, they get the option to do that. You've just created the design and then it starts getting you money. Right here is where you have the sell your art. All right. This is for content producers like yourself and myself. All right. And this is log in. If you already have an account with Redbubble, you log that in. If not, let us try and create an account. And what do we have here? It says join Redbubble, sign up as a customer for 20% discount on your first order. All right. But we are here to do the artist sign up. Artists as in we want to create. Please remember that I said, like all of these things, it's about creating and creating, keep getting better. All right. And then I want to show you something else before, that we have come here. When you come here, for instance, you look at all clothing. Let's look at that. You see here where we have options. We go to options. All right. We have here options. You can see all other people's designs right here. You see that. So people can choose however they want to wear your design. Okay. So you come here. We want to sign up. Let's get started as that and as an artist. All right. So you put in your email address. I'm just going to use an email that I've created for this purpose. And then I'm going to say, all right, I want my name to be Ada Incomescape, right? Ada Incomescape, that is the one that I want to use as my shop name. All right. So I'm going to choose a password. I'm going to choose, let's say, Incomescape and 4321. Don't worry about it. This is an example account, so I'm not really troubled by that. So yeah, we have done that and it has brought us to this dashboard. And on the dashboard, we can see, create your products. This is where you add your designs. This is where you set up an avatar. I would really, really encourage you. I really, really encourage you to Go through every single thing that is here. Use every space. All right. Add your designs, add an avatar, a cover image. Look at other people's own. They have really cute, cute cover image. You add your social link, you add a bio, make use of every space. And of course, you have to confirm your email address. You have to add your name and address, payment details, and everything. Redbubble uses PayPal, so you have to have a PayPal account. And if you do not have a PayPal account, I talked about why it is important in this video, so you should find that. And these are the tips that they're giving you. Review your product pricing. They will set an automatic price. You cannot go down so that they do not lose. All right. And then don't be too high, especially if you're still starting out. So you can actually revise your price by yourself. All right. And advertise your products in offsite marketing. I like this because, yeah, while Redbubble has a lot of people that just come there on their own, they have a lot of organic traffic. Please, I would encourage you to get an Instagram account or a YouTube channel like this one so that you can always tell people about your Redbubble account. That will really help you sell. I don't I have come too far now to lie to you. So I'm going to tell you, if you start a channel, always find an outlet to talk to people about it. Also bring eyes to your own product. Do not just leave it for them. Always use a good tag. They are going to suggest tags for you when you do this. Use as many tags as possible. If you're designing for summer, include that. If you're designing for LGBTQ, use that. Whatever you're designing for, use all of those tags, all right? And then describe your product very, very well. So for instance, here now, I can come here and say add design. They will tell you, they'll ask you, where do you want to get this design from, right? So they're going to tell you to upload a design. And right here, I already have one that I designed. So I want to show you this quickly. And this is it. All right. So this is where you are going to describe the title of that your work. Describe it as quickly as possible. And here you add tags. For instance, summer. You add all of those tags. Use at least 10 tags if I were you. Then describe that work. Describe it very, very well. And they will give you a requirement. Try to use the requirements. Use every space, like I said. And here you can see how these designs come out. They are coming out as different things. All right. One thing again about Redbubble is that you have to do some of the redesigning by yourself. Like this is out of scale, so I've scaled it down and I'm going to apply the changes. All right, so you look through to make sure that your design has it looks the way that you want it to look. All right, so you look at this one, for instance. No, it's out of focus. You can bring it in, all right, and apply the changes. So I did that with this design, and you can see that this really, really rocks. So after you are done with the design, you come in here and then you upload. You can even say no, that you want the color to be you want the color to be black. You want to use a black color to showcase it. And you can see that and always be mindful that your letters come out. So that is why I prefer either an ash for this or a white, or you can use a red. It really depends on you. Just make sure that what you have designed comes out very well. So basically, guys, this is how to do your design on Redbubble to start making money, to start making that money through print on demand. All right. So I've taken you through that. Remember, it's all in the numbers, and also do good designs. Use CANVA and also click on the links so that you can get started making that money immediately. See you guys next time. I really appreciate it. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you, guys.